At home, thick and rich hot chocolate. First, you will be needing some milk, some vanilla extract, some cocoa powder, dark chocolate, some sugar, a little bit of orange zest, marshmallows, cinnamon stick, and some corn flour. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of full cream milk. To this, you can add 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then mix it well. To that, add 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate, your cinnamon stick. You can also use cinnamon powder, your orange zest, and then you can just take a bowl with a little bit of water, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, add it into the mixture, and it will just make it even more thicker and creamier. Then add a splash of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. You can also use some coffee powder, but since my chocolate was already mocha flavored, I'm not doing that. I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar. Bring everything to boil. You can also toss some marshmallows in the microwave to decorate your hot chocolate, and yes, your thick, rich, creamy hot chocolate is ready.